Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus UX. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're struggling to extract data from your Asus UX, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a malfunctioning hard drive or a corrupted connection. If left unresolved, it could lead to permanent data loss or further complications with your device's performance. To tackle this problem effectively, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement hard drive if necessary. Now, let's dive into the repair process. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel of your Asus UX. Be careful not to strip the screws, a gentle touch is best. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel, starting from one corner and working your way around. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel off, locate the hard drive. It will typically be near the center of the device, connected by a data cable. Gently disconnect the cable, being cautious not to pull on it too hard. Next, remove any screws that secure the hard drive in place. Once these are removed, carefully lift the hard drive out of its bay. If you're replacing it, take your new hard drive and position it in the same place, securing it with screws and reconnecting the data cable. Always double-check that everything is firmly connected but not overly tight, as this could damage the components. Before reassembling, it's wise to test if the new hard drive is recognized. Reconnect your device, power it on, and check if the system detects the drive. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If you've managed to get this far and your device is functioning again, congratulations! To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your Asus UX is kept clean and dust-free. Regularly back up your data, so you're prepared in case of any future issues. Also, avoid abrupt shutdowns to reduce the risk of corrupting the hard drive. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.